Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO Pad. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, tap on whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO Pad. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here some deep pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait and when your transfer is done, close an ad. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!